Welcome to Soul Affirmed. I will say an affirmation, and as you repeat these silently or out loud, your brain creates new neural pathways with intention. Take a breath and let's begin. I take responsibility for my emotions and reactions. I show up consistently, not perfectly. I apologize without conditions or defensiveness. I do not take blame for others' choices. I take responsibility for my role in conflict. I value growth over being right. I take accountability without collapsing into shame. I own my behavior without excuses. I can say I was wrong and mean it. I choose integrity even when it's uncomfortable. I listen to understand, not to win. I choose connection over ego. Accountability does not require self-abandonment. I am learning to respond, not react. If this resonated, give it a like, subscribe, and share the positivity. Soul Affirmed is here for you, anytime, every day.